Hey there, welcome back to Dollar Dynamics, where I break down personal finance and investing so you can take control of your money. Today, I'm diving into a super important topic, credit scores. What are they? How do they work? And most importantly, how can you improve yours? A good credit score can save you thousands on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to boost your credit score and make it work for you. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a smart money move. Alright, let's get started. So what is a credit score? Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your credit worthiness. Basically, how risky or reliable you are as a borrower. In the US, most lenders use the FICO score or VantageScore, which range from 300 to 850. Here's a quick breakdown of what your score means. 300, 579, poor, high risk, 580, 669, fair, needs improvement, 670, 739, good, most lenders approve, 740, 799, very good, lower interest rates, 800, 850, excellent, best rates and perks. The higher your score, the more financial opportunities you'll have. So, how is your credit score calculated? Your credit score is based on 5 key factors. 1. Payment history, 35%. Pay your bills on time. This is the biggest factor. Even one missed payment can drop your score significantly. Set up auto pay or reminders to never miss a due date. 1. Credit utilization, 30%. Don't max out your credit cards. This refers to how much credit you're using compared to your limit. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Paying off your balances frequently can help. 1. Credit history length, 15%. The longer the better. Lenders prefer borrowers with a long history of responsible credit use. Avoid closing old accounts, it shortens your credit history. 1. Credit mix, 10%. Have different types of credit. A mix of credit cards, loans, and mortgages shows responsible credit management. But don't take out loans just for the sake of boosting your score. 1. New credit inquiries, 10%. Don't apply for too many accounts at once. Hard inquiries from loan or credit card applications can temporarily lower your score. Too many applications in a short time can make you look risky. Now, how can you check your credit score for free? You can check your credit score for free using annualcreditreport.com. Get a free credit report from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion once a year. Credit card providers like Chase, Capital One, and Discover often offer free credit score tracking. Apps like Credit Karma and Experian provide free monitoring. Checking your own score is a soft inquiry, meaning it won't hurt your score. So, how do you improve your credit score fast? If you need a quick boost, here are 5 proven strategies. 1. Pay down credit card balances. Lowering your credit utilization ratio can improve your score in just a few weeks. 1. Make on-time payments every month. Even a small bill like a utility or phone bill matters. 1. Request a credit limit increase. A higher limit lowers your utilization rate. Just don't increase spending. 1. Become an authorized user. If a family member has a good credit history, getting added to their credit card can boost your score. 1. Dispute any errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen. Check your reports regularly and dispute any errors. So, why does your credit score matter? A high credit score means lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, easier approval for mortgages and car loans, better rental opportunities, lower insurance premiums, higher chances of getting hired. Some employers check credit reports. Taking care of your credit is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Final thoughts: take control of your credit. 1. Check your credit score today. 2. Pay your bills on time. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Dollar Dynamics, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest credit score challenge? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your money.